How to use the Incellderm Collagen 100 melting sheet. Step number 1. Open the collagen 100 melting sheet pouch and take out the product. Each pouch contains 1 sheet for the forehead, 2 sheets for the cheeks, and 1 sheet for the neck. The collagen may melt if your hands are wet. Make sure your hands are completely dry when taking out the product. Remove the protective film from the collagen sheet. Attach the collagen sheet with the white side facing your skin. Apply onto your forehead, cheeks, and neck using both hands. Gently press with your fingers so that it adheres well to the skin. Carefully remove the orange sheet with dry hands. Step 2. Prepare Incellderm Dermatology Booster EX. Open the lid of the Incellderm Dermatology Booster EX. Spray generously over the area where Collagen 100 melting sheet is attached. Make sure to spray a generous amount to activate the melting process. Step 3. Additionally, apply Dermatology Serum EX and pat lightly to promote absorption. Step 4. Prepare Incellderm Active Cream EX. Take an appropriate amount with the enclosed spatula. Apply on the forehead, cheeks, and chin. Gently massage to allow the remaining collagen to penetrate into skin. Finish by thoroughly applying the product to the neck area. With the Incellderm Collagen 100 melting sheet, unveil skin that is visibly firmer, enriched with collagen.